Hey guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, I wanted to do a brand club video for you guys. Now, it took me so long because I was really trying to be patient with the app because, as y'all know, freaking brand club can be hella temperamental. And I feel like with the app, it's like either it's working flipping phenomenal for you or it's just not. Like anywhere from, you know, even not being able to log into your account, not being able to link your accounts, right? I know that a lot of you guys have had issues with linking Walmart, which I know for me, if I couldn't link Walmart, then I wouldn't even use the app because I don't really do Target too much, and I don't really do Amazon that much as well. And so if I couldn't link Walmart, then yeah, that would be a problem. I also know there are those who were logged out of the app and can't seem to get back in. That happened to me, and I was trying to get logged back in and it just was not working. I have the app on my tablet as well, and I tried on there and it wasn't working. And so someone in the Facebook group mentioned that to make sure there's no space behind your email, like when you put your email in, you know how it usually auto fills it automatically puts a space behind your email, which is why it doesn't work. And so I did that and it worked out perfect for me. So I was back in. I have had issues with it glitching and unlinking my Walmart app, and then I have to go in and relink it, which can be a bit of a hassle. And so, but with the app, I do feel like either it's working for you or it's just absolutely not. Now for me, it normally would take 4 days to process my receipts. But all of a sudden it stopped. And every time I synced, it would say no rewards found or whatever. And I got so tired of that. I was syncing once a day. Nothing was popping up at all from as far back as the 13th. Everything was pending. And so my haul from the 13th and the 14th, and I'm thinking if I did one on the 17th and the 21st, those were all still pending. All right, so my last 3 or so hauls, I kind of stopped doing Brand Club for that reason, because I was just like, okay, if I'm not getting paid, I'm not going to use the app. And I've told you guys that before. If I'm not getting paid, I'm not going to use the app. Simple as that. And so I haven't been using it. And I kind of wanted to kind of wait to do this video so that I could at least see how long it was going to take for it to eventually process. And it processed today, which is awesome. So what I did this morning, or actually last night, I put together some Brandclub deals for curbside. This guy's car is so loud. He just keeps going around in circles. I'm parked in a spot. Maybe he normally parks here in the shade and I'm parked here. But anyway, so I did an order last night for curbside pickup, and I wanted to do some Brandclub deals for surveys that I already have, that I've already done. You guys know that they're only good for 90 days now, and they have the expiration tab now, which is really, really cool. Only thing is, I don't know at what point it's posted there as expiring soon. Is it like when you have 2 weeks left? It's going in circles. Like, are you serious? And this car is so freaking loud. He's just going in circles. I don't know. He is like going in circles. I don't know why. I'm right around the corner from the house. It's just I don't want to go home because it gets loud at the house. But the thing about the expiration tab is that I know y'all can hear that because I can hear that. So with the expiration tab, now the only thing that I have with the issue I have with that is that I really would like to know at what point it gets put into that category. Is it when we have 2 weeks left? Because I guess it depends on how long it takes for your receipt to process. If it's still processing on the day that that particular survey expires, then you're not going to get it because it's already expired. And so that's the only issue that I have. I feel like it should be in the system. Like once you submit your receipt and you sync it, it should automatically pick that up. But from my understanding is it's not. But that's my understanding. I don't know if it's for sure. I obviously haven't had that issue yet, but I did sync my account this morning and I got all my money, you guys. I was like, thank God. It was like $55. I was like, thank you, Jesus. Because I was about to go in with Brandclub. I was about to say, okay, I ain't using Brandclub no more. Because I stopped using it because I'm like, if I'm not going to get paid, I'm not going to flip and use it. And so, for Brandclub, I did, how many items did I do this morning? If curbside is still working, it's in the past, it's been like, as soon as you sync it, you get your money. After you pick it up and you sync it, then it automatically goes to your account. So I wasn't really sure. And so I grabbed a bunch of items that I already have surveys for. Like I had a survey for Scott. Like I had a survey for Scotch. And I did some double stick tape. This guy keeps going in circles. Maybe he's working on his car. And that's why he's going around in circles. Because this is legit the 5th time. Now he's pulling in front of me. I think I'm probably in this spot. So I got the Scotch indoor double-sided tape, which was $3. I got back $3, so that was free. I did the Crystal Light Liquid Strawberry Lemonade. That was $3.28, and I got back $3, so that was only 28 cents. The Nissan Top Ramen was $2.38. I think for that one I did a survey for $2.25. So, or was it $2? I may have did it for $2. Making that only 38 cents. And that's for a 12-pack. I did do the Coffee Mate for $2.88. It was a qualifiable product, but I didn't get it for some reason. So I'm gonna have to double check and see if it's still listed, because for some reason I've noticed with Brandclub is that they have a tendency to add offers and remove them, and add them and remove them. And that's a flipping headache for me. And I think that's probably one of the biggest issues I've been having lately with Brandclub, is that you go in and you check for certain items, you do your screenshots of everything. Well, I do my screenshots of everything. And then I purchase the product, I go back and I sync it and it doesn't pick it up. And then I go back and check and it's not there anymore. So I've noticed that with Brandclub. I wish they would just leave it alone. If it's qualifiable, let it be qualifiable. Like I did the Kool-Aid jammers. That was $2.50. I did a $2 survey for that. It was only 50 cents. The Splash Blast, which is a 6-pack of water, was $2.98. I did a $2.75 survey for that. And then the Safeguard Liquid Hand Soap was $2.67, and I did a $2.50 survey for that. And then last but not least was the Farberware plastic spoons. Where are they at? They're the little measuring spoons. Those were $3.24. Then I had a survey for $3. I really did try to buy items that I had surveys for that was going to make it practically free. That's kind of what the goal was with that. And the only thing I didn't get back was the Coffee Mate, which I could just keep that. I mean, I drink coffee every day, so it's not like I'm not gonna need it. But I would have liked if it worked for the survey, but it didn't. And so yeah. But as far as how long it took my receipts to process, it took 19 days. All right. So it says that it should take anywhere between 4 and 15 days. But for me, this time it did take 19 days. And I made sure to sync at least once a day, and it finally came through. I'll insert some screenshots for you guys of what came through for me. I've been trying to go through my Google Docs to kind of put together my month in of how much I spent for the month of May, and whatever is on my doc that's still in red for Brandclub, I haven't actually gotten paid for. So I'll be able to go home and finish that off, because I couldn't finish that until I knew for sure if I was getting paid or not, because I don't want to include it as if I'm getting paid from Brandclub when I'm really not, or when I haven't. All right, so hopefully I can finish that up today. The one thing that I did get today, after I picked up, was the Swagbucks Complete. This just popped up on Swagbucks, My Points inbox, and ta-da! It's $2.97. There's a rebate for buy 2 get back 4 with a limit of 2. So I pretty much grabbed a set of 4. per transaction. I just did 3 different transactions. I may go back tomorrow and do the 4th one for Tada. Tada is usually the last app that I do. I usually do Swagbucks, My Points, and then Inbox, and then I always do Tada last. But it makes these 97 cents each, which is not bad because it's a 70 count. They have this in the original, and they also have it in lavender, which is right here. I like lavender. The original is kind of strong for me. I feel like the lavender is much more, it's softer. Like, it's not as strong and like bold as the original is, or the field flowers is. And so I did that, but what I did is I grabbed these with the pencils. I price matched. I can't find any more on clearance, so I'm price matching today. I price matched the 510 one. Focus, man. Okay, fine. Don't focus. I price matched these for $2.26, and then I used $3 coupons. I still have $3 insert coupons, so I went ahead and just use those. It gave me about 80 some odd cents of overage. So at the end of the day, I stacked 4 of these with 4 of these, and it makes these like less than 20 cents per pack, which is just awesome, right? So that's kind of what I did. So I got a total of this 4 right here. I got this 4 right here, and I got this 4 right here. This 4 right here in this bag. So I got a total of 12 all today, and I thought that it was a pretty decent deal. Other than that, you guys, I didn't really want to make a long video, but I really wanted to update you guys on how things are going with Brandclub. So as of now, it is working for me. I honestly haven't even added any of my receipts after the 27th. And I have a ton of receipts. Like, I have a stack of receipts for the month of May, you guys. It's not even funny. But I keep all my receipts, and I'm gonna have to go through all of my Google Docs and get my final numbers so that I can post my month-end video for you guys. I'll also include screenshots of the hauls as well. I thought that would be a kind of a good thing to add to it, so that you guys, those of you who don't normally watch me, can at least see this is what I got, and this is how much it cost, and this is how much I made, you know. And so other than that, I'm gonna thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.